And we're off to a New Year celebration and a new party. Wow. And you guys, I wasn't gonna record this, but I decided to. And we're actually setting up. We're actually setting up for the 31st. What? So, got the music. Me and my friend are gonna be DJing, so we're gonna take turns. Yeah, 2 DJs tonight.
Let me practice right now.
2 DJs tonight. No, don't leave it alone, please.
Who's the other one?
We're gonna have projector video, and here we go, the little bar. Hopefully, we have a topless bartender. I wish. And we're setting up for New Year's party. Oh, look what Olguita made. She made this. Yeah, actually, I'm glad I'm doing this now because when the party starts, we never do anything.
You gotta do it because I'm gonna put the lights on.
We'll put the lights on?
Yeah, I'm gonna have.
Can you describe how you did this? Creativity? How she do it?
She got a glass bottle, put glitter on it. She flipped the bowl upside down. Put these things in.
I have LED lights inside the bowl.
Right there.
You have
so
it.
Reflect on the.
How do you turn it on?
You have to stick your hand in it.
Oh, you gotta lift it up.
Like
Oh,
this.
this is pretty
Look.
cool. Let me see. Well, I mean, you won't be able to see it, but.
And then there's
No,
like
I'm not gonna
here.
put the light, but so you know, I lift it up and it has a light
Right there.
right in here.
See it right there, Mom.
I'm gonna turn it on.
Hot and stunning. I can show.
Yeah, it is.
What the?
De noche, yes.
What is
I
it?
had to take some.
It's
some
it's supposed to
it
be in
shows
the bottle.
in the dark.
It's
It shows
supposed
in
to
the
be in
dark.
the bottle. It's a bottle cap that has lights in it.
And you can see through all that stuff?
It's
Okay.
No, take some out.
That's
I have to wait until
holographic.
nighttime
And
comes.
then this, she made me put glitter on that. This was from our tree. She bought this at a store. She
It's not
put
on.
glitter on these feathers. And then
Okay, so we're getting ready. We're getting ready to
I need
bring the 31st.
the other chair.
The other chairs.
we need 3 more chairs. Of the flip.
Ahora este va aquí. Eso va aquí. ¿Dónde? ¿Dónde esto va? Aquí en medio.
Oh, look at Big Mama and Little Mama. What did you say? Gotta do the numbers?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, let me get it. I'll do it.
Recording.
Recording. I just started recording now.
Okay.
I always gotta put me to work. There's gonna be a little photo booth. Yep, getting ready for tonight. All that. Now I don't drink. Maybe I'll drink some tonight, you know, special occasion. Let me tell you guys my favorite. My favorite is, I'll go with this one. This is my favorite right here. So we're almost 80% done. Yes, we're actually DJing. 2 DJs in the house tonight. Me and my friend. And we're gonna project the videos while we're DJing. So it should be fun. And we even got the smoke machine out tonight. And this is my other favorite part. Guess why? Guess why? This is why. I like Coke more than liquor, believe it or not. So when I drink rum and Coke, I actually use 80% Coke, 20% liquor. So I like the taste of Coke, not the liquor, but you know, you kind of have to blend in. This is gonna be the, I don't know what, VIP spot you wanna call it? VIP section. Right here. I'm gonna show you guys before and after because I don't know how long, because I might forget to record because once I start DJing I forget. So what is that, more decorations?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, should be fun tonight. Let's go. Okay, so let me take you guys to a quick glance. Everything is set up, drinks ready. This is the bar. This is 21 over section right here, and this is the 21 and under section for the little juices, you know, for the kids in the water. And this is the big stuff right here. Whoop. This is the adult section. What we got here, we got the beers for the beer drinkers, and we got the liquor for the liquor drinkers. And actually, we got this pretty good right here. You guys remember the video from the sandbar? It's right there. And my favorite right there. So here we go. It's an all day project, but it's worth it because everybody enjoys it and we have fun. And let me show you guys Ogida's decoration. Big mouth. There you go, the pool. Lit it up too. And this is a photo spot right there, celebrating 2019. And here we go. Party favorites right there. ¿Dónde vas a ver?
You turned it off? No.
Sí.
Mom, need your help, mommy. Wow! Can you just want to make it?
Here.
Wait, I need to put it back.
Oh, the new chef.
Yeah.
Where?
Give me the two.
Hold it.
Bow.
Tomato, everything. Give me that. Let's take some pictures before we get out. Okay, yeah, but llévate
Water and stuff in there, right?
Sí, pero déjame ahí solo. Está súper caliente porque yo no lo veo. Mira, yo voy, llévate tú esto. Yo llévate esto tú.
Here. Where's my clip?
Outside.
This is a good thing when it's family and close friends that everybody pitches in, help, and bringing stuff. A few people brought different types of food and liquor to have. And here, yeah, everybody was waiting around setting up to eat it. It was a little bit delayed. The food kind of took a little longer than we expected, but everybody's ready and ready to eat and have some fun. A ver, dime. Vamos a hacer, tú no te vas a hacer. ¿Qué vas a hacer? Now this is something we always try to remember and take pictures at the beginning of the party, because what happens is once you get involved with the dancing and having fun and actually serving people and hosting the party, you kind of forget to take pictures. So we try to take advantage of this time.
2019 con las manos arriba, coño.